Hey guys, it's me. I just wanted to give you a update and a plug about the new book, Egg Carving for Beginners. Should be out in 3 months. I'm so excited. It'll be out in June. I thought I'd let you know what was going to be in it so you can look forward to getting it. I talk about choosing your equipment and how to choose it and how to choose the right egg for the work that you're going to be doing on it. I cover where to find patterns at and how to get them, how to put them on the eggs, etc. I talk about marking your eggs with using a gem marker by Linda Martin and various methods of marking your eggs to make sure that you put your patterns on there correctly. I also cover burrs and bits and their cuts and what they look like. I mean, this is a step-by-step book that walks you through everything that you could possibly do with pictures for each step. I cover doing cutouts, removing the membranes, filigree carving, emu egg carving, acid etching. I'm looking at my table of contents because I can't remember everything. Making dioramas, putting pictures in eggshells. That one is done by Judy Howard. Making a trinket box. That one is done by Linda Martin. I touch base on relief carving. Making dioramas. Putting pictures in eggshells. A trinket box. Doing a Celtic knot. That was by Linda. I'm sorry. That was by Pat Ware. Egg scratching technique by Linda Bowers. Sealing your eggshells. Gluing your eggshells to stands. And brush-o eggs, which is really a unique technique. So you're going to have to read that chapter for that one. And I also cover where you can buy your supplies, how to drain and clean your own eggs. And also, there's a few patterns in there. Not very many, but a few just to get you started. And I started this for beginners, and I did a beginner egg and a kind of an intermediate egg in each chapter. So that way you can kind of get started, and it'll help push you on to your next level. And I hope you really enjoy the book. There's a lot of work into it, and I'm excited. I know there's a lot of very useful information in here. There's a lot more stuff in there than what I covered on here. So, but you're going to have to buy the book to find out. Should be out in June of 2020. So, and it is named Egg Carving for Beginners. And as soon as it gets published, I will also post a link to it with this video. So you guys are going to have to keep checking back to look for the link. If not, you can always come to join my egg carving group on Facebook. It's called Egg Carving and Etching. And trust me, there'll be lots of post updates on there as well. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope you're looking forward to this book as much as I am. Thank you, and have a great day.